Good morning. It's gonna be a beautiful, almost 80-degree day in March, so we'll take it. Just got calves fed and watered, but we've got 4 new babies. So we just weaned 22 calves. So I've got a lot of hutches and panels to get moved, and I got to get them attached because thanks to the Oklahoma wind, they will end up who knows where if we don't attach them. And it's a windy day, so we got to get these panels moved. We got a load of alfalfa hay coming in. So yeah, busy morning. Whew, not done yet. But you've probably been able to tell that these are not, they're not a straight line, unfortunately. As much as I would love for them to be in a straight line, we're trying to make is my fault. I started too far over, and at a certain point in this line, it goes downhill, and we don't want these calves ending up in like a flood spot. So we're trying to make the hutches start to curve and come out. So my OCD don't like it, but it has to happen. Whew. All right, back at it. All right, I think I bored y'all enough with that time lapse. Sorry. Sometimes these jobs are just tedious and long, and sometimes it's same thing, different day. But we're done. 20 hutches moved. Here we are. We've got our 12 new babies here. We've got 4 that we're gonna move here. And we got a lot of empty hutches. And we still got some older ones back here. They will be due to wean very soon, this week actually. Our weaned pen is just getting a little crowded right now, so I'm not sure when we're gonna wean them, if it'll be this week. Next week, I'm not sure. We gotta figure out our weaned pen situation. So that was a great workout. We're gonna mosey on over here to the commodity barn and wait for our load of alfalfa. Daddy was on business calls while we were waiting on hay, and he talked him to sleep. I think he's just now waking up and going, what? What'd I miss? What'd I miss? Where's Daddy? He's over there? What's he doing? Yeah. Hey, Goober. I think Daddy's done. He did it. Got the hay. Woohoo! We got the hay unloaded. Another agenda list item is this. We have a fresh cow in our dry pen we need to bring in. Since we're driving by, I guess we're gonna go ahead and bring her in. She's fairly close to the gate. See if this baby will go with Mama. Mama's not cooperating, so we're gonna leave her alone for a little bit. We'll come back and get her.
Bucket.
You got the bucket?
I got bite.
A bite?
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa,
whoa.
whoa, 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 whoa.
I wanted to give you something to jump off of.
Oh,
Good
the
job.
peppers.
You got the cloppers?
Beep, beep.
Okay. Come on, Goober. Let's see what else is on the agenda.
What time is it?
11:06.
Hey, where
Oh.
you going? Where you going? We're working.
It's not lunchtime yet.
La, la, la.
Go see if we can drop a rod.
Yeah, jump off.
Yeah, drop a rod. It's like funny. It's a number 5 piston.
Oh.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, push it to me. Okay. You roll this in. Too much slickum. Okay, push it to me.
More?
No. Now, let's find a torque wrench. Now, if you want to go get them, you can.
Torque it.
Huh?
Torque it.
Torque it.
So this is our old new Holland tractor. This is our workhorse around here. It went down a while back. We're trying to get it back going. So today we're dropping pistons. I'm not even going to pretend like I know what's going on. But I'm a helping hand. And I can follow directions. So that's what we're doing. So apparently we're not just dropping pistons today. What are we doing?
Putting the whole bottom end of the motor together.
Cool.
We're putting new rings, rod bearings, gonna torque everything down to spec. Get that oil pan back on there, get that bottom end done. Be ready to start putting the top end on tomorrow.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully she'll fire up. Be back to work.
That tractor's got work to do. We can't have her down anymore.
Yeah, she does everything. Hold this, please. I may not know what's going on, but I can offer a helping hand. You want it over there?
Yeah, you gotta go there.
Does it matter which side? Guess not. Oh.
So you take the piston like so. You gotta turn it the right way.
I wonder what that was supposed to do.
Make right. It almost feels like it's hitting down there. Lift the whole piston up.
With this thing?
Yeah.
I'm trying. Oh, there we go. All of it out or just...
Yeah, lift it up.
Oh.
Brake cleaner in the eye again.
Oh, is that still dripping? Did you spill all of them? No. You ate more than half of it.
Number one?
Oh, you want me to hit it?
Yeah.
Oh. That was the easiest one. Is that far enough?
Now do it. Screwdriver up there.
Screwdriver.
Look over here.
Oh. Big one?
Yeah. Push down on the piston. Okay.
There's a third one, isn't it? There's 5 of them.
This will be the 4th piston going in the 6th hole. There's 6 of them.
Okay.
There.
You're on the heater, aren't you?
You never can put too much lubricant on anything. Gotta turn these rings around where they're not, the openings are not in the same spot over each other. So, now that looks like I like, now we'll take it over here.
Back in. Oh, no, there we go.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I want it too. Oh, you missed it. You missed it.
I missed
Okay,
it.
push a little bit more. Okay, hold it. Okay, come on more. More, 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 more. Okay. Hold it so I can push up on it. Push it down some.
I am. Oh, you want to?
Hold it.
Huh?
Hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, you go get that bottle of Snickers.
Daddy, what did you do? What did you get, Daddy? What did you get?
He's down here.
Out. For me.
Huh?
What for me?
You need a hammer.
Try
Oh,
like this.
not yet. Well, yeah, that's what we're doing with these. Yep, you're right.
Okay, I need you. I do, not the bug. Whoa.
Oh.
There's a for me. Off. But Daddy doesn't let me. Bam. To hammer.
We need a hammer for this? Okay.
Two.
Okay.
Take your
Don't watch your 2 fingers.
2 feet. Oh, watch my fingers. Okay. I'll watch my fingers.
Daddy is 2.
Daddy's 2.
Oh.
Okay.
Two.
Phew. Got it. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that means you.
You're drooling.
Look at that.
Keep going.
No.
No, it's a little.
Try to cut it. This. Mommy.
Oh. These pins are. Oh, shoot. Something broke.
Something broke.
Doesn't seem like a really serious problem, so. But we got to a stopping point. It's lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You hungry? Okay. We're gonna go eat lunch.
Bye.
That's all for this video.
And the other
Thanks for watching.
See
See you next time.
you next time.